Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on HSBC Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hsbc.co.uk and press enter. You will then be taken into the official HSBC Bank website. Now, in order to log into your existing account, click on the log on button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now, you will be asked to either log in using the phone application and then scanning this QR code, or you can also click on continue to log on with browser. You will then be taken into the login portal. Now, from the login portal, just type in your username that is associated with your account first and then click on the continue button. In case you have forgotten your username, you can click on the forgot username option to recover these credentials. After entering your username and clicking on the continue button, you will be asked to enter your account password. Just type in your account password in the next box and then click on the login button and you will immediately be logged into your existing account on the HSBC Bank. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on HSBC Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.